still have an orange fruits in my feet because I do brushing video today, so that's why the foot of this one is with orange. So if you want to watch brushing video, you can also go to my Patreon account. And there it goes, we are barefoot now. So I have my flip-flops next to me and I'm gonna wear this one. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside and later I'm going to school. I'm going to pick up my daughter and this is my day. So I hope you like our video today. See you next vlog.